Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing into the world of premium audio with the brand new Beats Studio Buds. Whether you're a music lover or a podcast enthusiast, this video is for you. So we will discuss it within 4 step and fourth step is going to be excited. We are going to unboxing. First, let's talk about the design and comfort. These buds are IPX4 rated sweat, sleek ergonomic and come with 3 sizes of ear tips for a custom fit. Plus, they're sweat and water resistant, perfect for workouts and daily use. Second is the sound quality and features. The Beats Studio Buds deliver powerful, balanced sound with deep bass and crisp highs. They also offer active noise cancellation and transparency mode for versatile listening experiences. It has up to 8 hours of listening time and up to 24 hours, combined with pocket-sized charging case. Number third, what truly sets the Beats Studio Buds apart: the personalized listening experience. With adaptive EQ technology, the earbuds automatically adjust the sound based on how they fit in your ears, ensuring optimal sound quality tailored just for you. It's like having a sound engineer fine-tune your music in real time. Number 4, this is the most exciting part: the immersive 3D audio experience. With the Beats Studio Buds, you'll feel like you're in the middle of a live concert. Every beat, every note, every word feels incredibly real and vivid. It's like having a personal soundstage right in your ears. The Beats Studio Buds are a game changer for anyone looking for high-quality, feature-packed earbuds. It must have for anyone seeking superior sound quality, comfort, and cutting-edge features in one sleek package. Ready to elevate your audio game? Now, you can buy it at a very low price, just in $74.70 from Amazon. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.